Uganda yayigita hansi yona okujaguza ekiro ky'endwara z'akanwa narishi World Oral Health Day emikoro yakorwa hirwariro rikuru erya Mbarara abashaho bayoreka oku gavumenti eyamara emyaka 3 etarikubaheereza ebikozesa omu kishengye eki.
So on a platform like this, we would like to put it to the Ministry of Health, but also to the government in general, to give more support to oral health so that we are able to do more, improve the oral health of our people.
Abakugu barambura ekishengye eki eky'abashaho bari kukoreramu okujanjaba amino ekibashanga entebe zikatanyaguruka kare kandi n'ebyome by'itendekero lya Mbarara University yaguzire aharoni tibikatandikire kukoresibwa abokushanga ngo ebyome bimwe tibakabitungire.
Yes, they were assembled and installed, but we still need training. Because part of the agreement with the donors was that once they are installed, they should also train the end users.
Curtailing of some of these foods that we sell on our markets. If we are talking of biscuits, we are talking of what? Why should we subject our people to eat things that also bring problems to their mouth?
Ngu osemekwa noreberera akanwa kawe no brushinga omukanwa kawe kandi amino obwire omwe ugatwara omwirwariro bagacekinga.
Abakugu hona bayoreka okumbaro gw'abantu abari kukamino guriyo nigweyongera ekibashaba abatura okugumana beza amino no kwerinda ebyokurya ebirikuba birimu sukari nyingi hamwe no kurya ebyokurya ebirimu ebirisa.
So if you look at studies in Uganda, you find that there is a 75% prevalence of tooth decay among the adults and almost 90% in children. So the high rate is due to increased rampant caries as seen among children using and often abusing cough syrups.
We are requesting that the funding of oral health or national oral health strategies to address common risk factors, the NCDs. We are also requesting that we provide cost-effective oral health services at the primary health care level.
Abashaho aba bashaba oku abashomesa bine kushomesa abana omu mashomero okurinda amino gabo ahi bashaba gavumenti n'okuzibira ebyokurya omu mashomero ebirikushisha amino g'abaana. Ndi Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire.